Image editing is a process of using photographs and graphic tools to create a final picture that conveys a message to a viewer. Image editing can be simple, like working on a single photo, like making it grayscale, cropping it, resizing, adding vignette, adding text, applying effects, adjusting colors of some parts of a character by selection, duplicating, or removing something. Image editing can also be used for changing backgrounds of a person. We first select a person, then remove everything else. Then we put it over a background. To make a person match with the background, we need to do simple transforms like moving, scaling, rotating. We need to adjust colors, add highlights and shadows to a character, export the lighting source of a background. Image editing can also be a long creative process. We can use many photos and even draw some things to create a final picture. For example, I have an idea of making fairy flying in the sky by looking at this photo. Now I will download other pictures that I can use to make a final art. Now I'll use an image editor to start creating. I use Lazpaint Image Editor because it is fast, simple, powerful and free. It has short number of tools but are enough to make a good image art. It will definitely take a time to find right photos on internet for your artwork. Whenever you want to make a unique artwork, first you need to relax and imagine what you want to make. It may take a lot of time to come up with an idea. It is a normal thing. Every artist struggles to imagine about what to make. One important thing is that what you imagine will not be 100% clearer to you, but it gives you opportunity to start image editing. At last, you will notice that what you created might not be exact of what you imagined, because while editing images, we will come up with new ideas that will modify our goal of final picture that we want. We will also realize that something that we wanted in our imagination was not important, difficult, and time consuming. So we will change our goal in a way that we can finish our work but are happy in the end of what we have created. So do not rush. Image editing can take a time. Just enjoy. If it is taking a lot of time, save it, then you can continue it tomorrow or after some breaks or whenever you will feel comfortable. Learn from others. Be happy of what you created. It does not need to be good as a professional artist. What is important is that you enjoy it and put your love and time while creating it. You and your artwork do not have to be perfect. If you aim for perfection, you will probably not finish your artwork or might feel bad for not having ability to make a perfect artwork.